Just another day in the farm. That's my sister over there. She plants some melon and they start buzz, so she have flashed some carrot chocks and rice to keep off the jumpers. And jumpers are some insect that actually cut down the plant. Once it start burst, it will cut it down. People might have different name for it, but we call it jumper. Some people call it cutters. But that's, yeah, they cut the plant, so you have to slug for that. Have to flash the things to keep those away, because you don't want to plant your thing and then insect come and ruin it. Now, just an update on what's going on with my melon. So I'm sitting right beside one right here, guys. As you can see, it has 3 leaves now. I just sprayed it with some anthraquinone and dietane mixed together because I came over here yesterday and I saw that they were getting mildew because of all the rain. Just going to show you one that have some mildew on it. They were getting mildew. You can see the mildew right there. Because of all the rain, they were getting mildew, and so I had to come and spray it off this morning. So I did that. So hopefully that can keep them heated for a while. So that's just what's going on the farm today, and it's been 2 weeks since I planted this melon. So I mean, some haven't bust as yet. I plant some, I replaced some yesterday. Yeah, I plant back some seed, but the rat them come again and pull out it. So right now, let me have to go set one tray at home and let them burst out, and then I can transplant it. Yeah, so as you can see, these holes, there's nothing in them. They didn't burst, and with the rat seed, don't burst, don't germinate. I guess whenever you're planting seed, you're not gonna get 100% germination. That's something to look towards. So guys, these are some of the melon, and as you see, they bust in stages because these are very smaller, yet all of them plant one time. So that's how I go. This is what I see. I found out, guys, the Orion seed, it don't bust as hot as the other one, the Crimson King. Orion tends to bust very slow, have a very slow process of germination, because what I found out was the Crimson King bust a long time before the Orion, and the Orion still have one pushing out. Let me see if I can find one, show you guys. Still a push out one same way, small. I mean, look at this one right here. That just came out yesterday. So this is Orion. Crimson King are much bigger. They're growing faster. And guys, this seed was planted on fertilizer. So the same time the fertilizer plant was the same side. No, the same time I planted the seed was the same time the guys buried the fertilizer in the ground. So I had the fertilizer buried, and then they plant the seed. So thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Susie Jamaica Vibes, and share this video with all your friends who enjoy farming. And even if you don't enjoy farming, go ahead and support my channel and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.